Check out this cheap 2020 Gladiator Rubicon. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: black premium cloth low back bucket seats, all-weather slush mats, quick order package 24R included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVT-UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display, Stingray clear coat, LED lighting group included, daytime running lamps LED accents LED park turn lamps front LED fog lamps LED reflector headlamps LED tail lamps, trailer tow package included, trailer hitch zoom class 4 hitch receiver heavy duty engine cooling 240 amp alternator, black 3-piece hard top included, freedom panel storage bag rear window defroster rear sliding window no soft top and tires, LT 285/70